What's going up, guys? I need to tell you all this is real important if you're an animal lover, if you got dogs, cats. This is what killed our Gizmo. If you use A.U.R.A.'s dog cat food anywhere from November until now, you should take your animal to the vet, have their liver checked, get their levels checked, because A.U.R.A.'s dog food, dog cat food, from the little bags to the 15-pound bags, all have extreme levels of mycotoxin in them, which is a mold that killed our dog, kills animals. I mean, dogs ingest small amounts of it and they get immune to it, build up a tolerance. Gizmo didn't. He tried to tell us, he wasn't eating his food, and now my other two dogs won't eat the food either. So sure as shit, and they put out a recall for this fucking food on some small rinky-dink channel back in November. Yeah, so nobody knew about it, and Walmart just kept on selling it, and Kroger's and Dollar General, and yeah, everything to keep their fucking money rolling in, even though it's killed more than just our dog. Killed a lot of animals all over the United States. So they decided to recall it and put it on some little bitty channel. Yeah. So here's an article about it. This is the only article on the whole internet about this. Yeah. So these bastards killed our baby. Yeah. Killed our baby dog. Put some pictures in here of him. You'll understand. Yep. Destroyed him. And I'm so fucking mad. I can't even think straight. Yeah, and they knew this shit was gonna happen. They knew it was killing dogs. And they just put one little recall thing up on a channel nobody's ever heard of or seen. And Walmart and Kroger's and Dollar General and other big stores that carry A.U.R.A.'s dog food knew this, and they left it on their fucking shelves. Yeah. Got to get that money coming, because the pandemic, right? Got to have that money rolling. Yep. So just keep it in mind. If you use this shit, throw it out. Don't use it no more. As a matter of fact, there's been like 7 different dog foods that have had this mycotoxin mold in it, which is a death to animals. This last year, since June. A lot of dog foods, except kibbles and bits, except the cheap shit. Old Roy. Yep, the expensive ones are killing our animals. Get you some of that. Except the other companies, they all put out their recalls all over the place. A.U.R.A.'s dog food and their subsidiaries didn't. Y'all take it easy. Love your animals, man. They're your family. And these fuckers don't care about them either. So now I got a whole other fight as well. Catch y'all next time.
Sorrow and believing, honor and truth, raised by us blindly, wrapped around our youth. Peace in our life, remember the call. Oh, a tear for my brothers, think of them all. Home of the brave, we'll never fall. The strength of our nation belongs to us all. the healing of souls laid to rest. Peace is the virtue, never forget. Tomorrow's an angel watching us all, telling the people she wraps around our heart. Peace in our life, remember the call. Oh, dear, oh, my brothers, think of them all. Home of the brave, we'll never fall. The strength of our nation belongs to us all. Peace in our life, remember the call. Oh, dear, for my brothers, think of them all. Home of the brave, we'll never fall. The strength of our nation belongs